Positive reinforcement is one of the most important tools that parents and caregivers have to encourage desired behavior in children. When used effectively, positive reinforcement can help children learn new skills, feel good about themselves, and become more confident and independent. There are many reasons why positive reinforcement is so important for kids. First, it is a highly effective way to encourage desired behavior. Children are more likely to repeat behavior that is rewarded than behavior that is not. Second, positive reinforcement helps children feel good about themselves. When children are praised for their accomplishments, they feel a sense of pride and satisfaction. This boosts their self-esteem and self-confidence. Third, positive reinforcement promotes independence in children. When children are able to successfully complete tasks and receive positive reinforcement for their efforts, they feel a sense of accomplishment and are more likely to try new things. Finally, positive reinforcement is one of the most powerful tools we have for shaping children's behavior. By consistently rewarding desired behavior, we can encourage children to develop positive habits that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Keep your kids encouraged.